Here I have Honor 10X Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to disable ringtone volume on this device. So if you want to disable your ringtone volume and don't want to disable any other volumes on your device, you can just summon this sound bar, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can adjust all of your sounds. And what you have to do is to just disable your ringtone like this, and now your ringtone volume is disabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.